Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a special care package regarding Sing 2, an all new movie that just came out, in which this here is a premium swag bag or swag box, and we'll see exactly what it's all about. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Sing 2 for sending this over. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, cool. Alright, so off the back, I see something really cool. It's a pineapple jacket. Oh, hey, that actually looks pretty darn cool. So Sing 2, and it's got all these pineapples and it's gold. Awesome. I believe one of the characters wears this in the movie, but again, I don't want to give out too much, but you can see it for yourself. So pretty rad. All right, moving on, we have some hats. So I got two hats here. So it's an inside out hat. I got a black version and a pink version based on what your personal preference is. Let's go ahead and wear this just for the time being. All right, I'm all swagged out. So, looks nice. So it's an official one. It says Sing 2 all around it. Really high quality grade. Sweet. So looks like we got a headband here. It's like the koala headband. Can I rock that? What do you think, guys? No? Yes? No? So that's kind of nice. So it looks like they gave us a jigsaw puzzle. So this is nice too. We have official Sing 2 bags, and then another bag, and that is it. So overall, really cool stuff there. Really love it a lot. Thank you to the good folks over at Sing 2 for sending this premium swag. We'll probably end up wearing this while we watch the movie, so hey, why not? And yeah, with that said, if you guys haven't seen the movie or if you're debating on it, be sure to check it out. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.